What if your dreams could just manifest themselves on their own? What if there was a better way to hack into life itself? Sometimes when you're playing a video game, a secret, a coveted cheat code could make playing the game so much better. You have an immense advantage over all the challenges, enemies, or problems you encounter in the game. Imagine if life had its own set of cheat codes to help give you that same advantage. Imagine having more wealth, health, and love with a secret cheat code. We're talking about cheat codes of the universe. Yes, there really is a way to manifest more of what you want out of life. These proven codes have worked for so many people, and it's a direct way to achieve a better probability of achieving what you really want. It's time to make your innermost desires and dreams come true. Manifestation is all about attracting better things into your life, removing the negativity, and visualizing yourself as the successful person you want to be. These cheat codes are based on Grabovoi numbers, and once you've chosen your cheat code, you simply input it into the universe by saying them out loud, writing them down, or even tracing them into the air. Did you know that the cheat code for unexpected money is 520-7418, or romantic love is 385-6794, and that has been working for others just like you? We want to help you learn everything about these cheat codes. We'll teach you what they are and how they actually work. You'll learn where to find these cheat codes and how to use them. Soon, you'll use them to manifest more money, a better body, and deeper relationships than ever before. Discover your dreams and desires coming true. Find your cheat codes for the universe today.